Hello guys, my name's Abigail. Today we are gonna put hair conditioner on the Barbie's hair to make it smooth. Let's go. Today's letter is called letter E. E is for extravagant. First we're gonna wash our hair. Laundry soap. It also smells good like perfume. Then wash. And this will take a long time because I put so many in this. I like Lunchables. Now let me brush your whole hair. You need to add more water to this so we can make it smoother. Right now we're not playing, Elsa. Turn it off. Now we turn it off and get the towel. Shake her hair. Shake it, shake it, shake it. Dry, dry, dry. Now we should dry it. Her hair is more smoother now. Do you think she looks pretty? You want me to touch it? Another letter is letter F. F is for fabulous. Hope you like my channel. And click the bell button and click the thumbs up button. See you next time. Bye. Go on my Instagram.
You don't have an Instagram.
Yeah, I don't have an Instagram. Okay, I don't have an Instagram. Please follow us. Click the bell button and click the thumbs up button. I hope you like my channel and then ring the bell button. See you next time. Bye.